2024 पोप फ्रांसीस भारत दौऱ्यार येवपाचे आसात तेन्ना ते गोंयांत येवचे म्हण मुखेलमंत्री दोतोर सावंत हांच्यांनी यत्न करचो. सगळे मेळून तांचे भव्य स्वागत करून आशीर्वाद घेवया म्हण मागणी विरोधी पक्ष फुडारी युरी आलेमाव हांच्यांनी केल्या. RDXGOA खातीर पणजेच्यान गौतम शिरोडकार.
It is truly a historic moment for our country and for us Goans. I believe that the last visit of the Pope was in 1986, where he stayed at the Bishop House. And today I tweeted and I requested the Honorable Chief Minister to make sure and put in all efforts that our Honorable Pope Francis should be requested to come to Goa. It will be truly a historic moment if this happens, and the Chief Minister should use his office and request and put in all efforts that the Pope should come to Goa, and we should also make sure that all efforts are put and all these facilities would be available.